We are Team 26 and I'd like to show you how to use our Boto and Ansible script to automatically create the instance and configure the instance with the Ansible script. And first of all, you need to open the letter.py file and replace the SS key ID and the secret SS key with your own secret SS key and your own ID. And also you can change the region and path if necessary. And after you finish the configuration, you can run the launch instance.python code to launch the instance. Let's show you how to run. We use Python 2 to run this code, and first we create a security group for the CoachDB according to the CoachDB document, and then we create a port for HTTP and HTTPS, and we also create a port for SSH connection, and then we create a volume for free instance, and then we create the instance. And after create the instance, we still need to waiting for the instance to start. And our script will check the state of the instance every 5 seconds. And if all instance is ready, and we will attach the volume to each instance. Now we're just waiting. And now you can see all 3 instance is ready, and now it attached the volume, and after successfully attached, and it will show all the IP address and the ID name for each instance. And now we can see the Letter cloud platform, and we can refresh our Letter, and you can see now free instance is created automatically, and all is in the Melbourne QH2 soon, and all the security group is attached, and all the security group is created, and all the volumes is created and attached to each instance. And now we can SSH to each instance. Now we just need to get its IP address. Yes, you can see we can successfully connect to the Neta instance. And the second instance is also successfully connect. yes, it's also successfully created. And now let's turn to the Ansible script. And after running the Boto code, you should start all your instance on your cloud platform. And next, you should go into the Ansible folders and open the host file. It just looks like this. And because we just have 3 instances for testing, so I will first show you how to configure a CoachDB cluster, and then I will show you how to separately assign each work for each instance. And now let's start with the CoachDB cluster. And after copy and paste all the IP address into the same group and run the code, it should automatically create a CoachDB cluster for all these 3 instances. And first of all, we just mount the volume to the specific file folder. And then we download the CoachDB and unzip it. And then we install the dependency for the CoachDB. After all the dependency is installed, and we configure the build and also make the CoachDB file. And then, because we set the cluster configure as true, so we will configure the cluster configuration. And also we assign a servers for the CoachDB. So if the instance is restart, the CoachDB will also restart. And then we start the CoachDB servers. And now we start to configure the cluster for the CoachDB. And all the script is done. And so we just check for the CoachDB. And now you can see the CoachDB is start, and all the you should be able to see the membership. And you can see all the free cluster is in the all the free nodes is in the cluster. And now if you create a database in one instance, it should be seen. It should be seen on the other instance IP address too. Now I will show you how to deploy our whole system on your cloud platform. So as the previous step, we just copy and paste the IP address into each group, and because we just have a single virtual machine for each group, so we disable the cluster by setting this attribute to false. And now we can simply run the Ansible playbook to finish our configuration. And also, as the previous step, we just mouse the volume to the specific folder, and we download the CoachDB and unzip it and install all the dependency and config and back our file. And because we want a single load, so we just skip the cluster configuration, and we also assign the server for the CoachDB, and we start the CoachDB and waiting for the CoachDB to ready, and we install the Python environment to run our Python code. And use pip to install all the packages that we need. And clone the code from the GitHub repository. And then we start to run our Python code to harvest the data. And for the pre-process group, we also do the same thing. First, we build up our CoachDB. And we also need to install the PIP and use the PIP to install all the packages that we need. And we replicate the data and also create a view for the database so we can query faster and only get the data that we need. And now we start to configure our web server group. And we also create an index for the GeoDB database, so we can use a Mango query to query the data. And then we install the Apache and the PHP to build our web application. And after running all the code, our system should be start and harvesting data and processing the data. Next, see. And you can see we already connect 132 Twitter. And for the pre-processed Twitters, we will connect all the Twitter that include the geo-coordinate data and pre-process and calculate its sentiment. And also our website should be ready. And you can see the web application is ready to go. Because we still don't have any sentiment data, and so it's all assigned to 0, but other data is included. And we also have an analysis to show the whole picture for each dataset. And that's it. Thank you.